if you're experiencing login problems on Grasshopper, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos, including case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the shortcom link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not support the latest features of the Grasshopper platform, leading to login problems. Step 5. Contact support. If you are still unable to log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Grasshopper's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Grasshopper. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.